STARVIS high-sensitivity image sensor for nighttime filming and capturing sharp, high-resolution images during the day or at night. 140 degrees wide-angle lens for the best field of view from the inside of your vehicle. Up to 1080p Full HD recording at 60 fps, meaning you can zoom in from any angle and clearly view critical license plate information. Built-in battery ensures uninterrupted recording. Format-free technology to reduce memory errors and the need for frequent formatting. Emergency recording prevents overwriting files being recorded at the time when the G sensor detects an impact. Compact and discreet, allowing for a hidden witness, capturing events on the road as well as easy installation for mounting flexibility on your front or rear windshield. Built-in Wi-Fi connectivity and an exclusive DrivePro app that provides real-time footage, playbacks, and downloads without the need to remove the memory card. The DrivePro Toolbox also provides a screenshot function allowing for the capture of a single frame. Top review from the United States. Super small, huge on quality. This amazing tiny dash camera is sensational and the app for it is brilliant, absolutely fantastic Wi-Fi and the setup is awesome. Highly recommended and the footage is crystal clear. This is my 6th Transcend camera there in all my vehicles.